Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shem Bosano. So in today's video ay magwi-withdraw tayo sa aking Pupo Live na app. This is my second withdrawal. So I'm sharing it with you kasi at first trinay ko pa siya kung legit ba talaga na dadating yung withdrawal ko, which is legit naman. Nakapag-withdraw ako dito ng 500 in just a span of 2 weeks. Kailangan mong gawin dito sa Pupo Live is you need to complete task daily. Tapos pag mag-complete ka ng task, yung task na yun, particular task na yun ay bibigyan ka ng points, which is ito yung mga points na to. Pag maipon mo yung points mo at umabot siya ng 100,000, yung isang 100,000 is worth 500 pesos. Yan. So, i-withdraw natin yung so, kung mag-withdrawal kayo, dapat ano siya, dapat umabot pa pala ito ng 108 para buo talaga kasi meron pa siya 2% na kaltas. Diba? Sige, withdraw now. You tap, saan tayo pumunta? Pumasok tayo dito sa points. Ayan, points. Tapos, i-tap natin ang withdraw now.
Okay. Tagal. Tagal. Withdraw now. Anong now mo? Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, withdraw now. Yan ang mangyayari. Scam. Oo, madaming scammer. Ayan. So, 10.66 yung mawi-withdraw ko. Tapos, ang maiiwan, matitira is 0 points. Okay lang yan. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung withdrawal rules. Exchange ratio is 10,000 points worth na yan siya ng 54 pesos. Minimum withdrawal is $10. And maximum withdrawal amount is $2,000. Coins cannot be withdrawn. So, i-convert mo siya into points by trading. So, diba? Yan. So, sa Paymaya tayo. Ayan yung Paymaya ko kung ginamit ko last time nag-withdraw ko. I-withdraw mo lang yung type withdraw now. Arrival for 24 hours. Last time nag-withdraw ko, hindi siya 24 hours. It's only 1 hour kapin. 1 hour and 30 minutes like that. Natanggap ko na yung 500 pesos. So, install nyo to Pupo Live kung marami kayong confirm. Hingi siya ng password.
Password ko?
Wala ka ng ilis. Oh, succeed.
Succeed? Succeed na?
Ubus na yan. Ubus na points ko. Diyan na yan. Ay, hindi pa naubos. Ayun o. 0 points. 0 points na. Tingin. On mo yung Paymaya mo. Ano yung sinend ko? 500 ata yan. Basta 500 yun. So, yun lang guys. Install nyo to sa mga mamis dyan na gustong kumita kahit wala, nasa bahay lang, diba? Pambili ng diaper, pambili ng ulam. After 2 weeks sahuran dito, depende kung maaga kayo makabuo ng 100,000, edi click nyo na agad yung withdrawal portion ng app na to. That's all for today. Ilalagay ko sa baba yung invitation link in case you want to install this app. Tap mo lang yung link dyan sa baba. Okay, bye-bye for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.